My child, there is no need to doubt that what you want to manifest is unachievable. Don't compare your life to others. On the surface, they may have everything, but in reality, they are not achieving results in the best way. That is where you are different. You have managed to holster new energy and become aligned with a higher version of yourself. Because of this, your dreams will become a reality. You have recognized an older version of yourself by slipping into old habits. Don't be mad at that version of you. Acknowledge that person and say thank you. That person got you to where you are today. The path is not an easier, linear one, which is why these moments are equally as crucial as the blessed times. You have gone through a massive change. Be proud and, above all, take care of yourself. The positive energy you have created for yourself has started to attract an abundance of good energy. Your actions lately have created a glowing and warm aura around you, and this will only get better. Great things are being drawn towards you as you evolve. You have worked hard for this, and you need to reap the rewards. Type yes if you believe, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you all.